In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct multiple transactions on Xero. Sometimes you realize a whole batch of transactions has been coded to the wrong account. Instead of fixing each one manually, Xero's Find and Recode tool lets you update them all in one go. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do this safely and confidently. First, log into your Xero dashboard. At the top of the screen, look for the main menu and click on the Accounting tab. This is where you'll find most of your core bookkeeping tools, including the option we need next. From the Accounting menu, select Find and Recode. This opens a special area where you can search for transactions based on different criteria and then update them in bulk. If you don't see it right away, check under the Advanced or More Options section in your Accounting menu. Once you're on the Find and Recode page, you'll notice there's a button that says Add a Condition. Go ahead and click that. Conditions are how you tell Xero which transactions you want to target. For example, you might want to recode everything that was posted to the wrong expense account. After clicking Add a Condition, choose Account as your condition type. This means you're going to filter the list of transactions by the account they're currently coded to. Then select the specific account you want to correct. Take your time here to make sure you choose the account that the incorrect transactions are currently using. When you've set the account condition, click on Search. Xero will now display all the transactions that meet your criteria. Review the list that appears on screen and quickly scan the dates, amounts, and descriptions to confirm you're looking at the right batch. If everything looks good, use the checkbox beside the date column to select all of the transactions in the list. This saves you from having to tick them one by one. Once they're selected, click on the Recode button that appears. A panel will open where you can fill in the details of how you want to recode these transactions. Typically, this means choosing the new account you want them moved to and adjusting any other relevant fields Xero allows. Remember, recoding affects historical reports, so double check the new account is correct. When you've entered the new details, click on Review. Xero will summarize the changes that are about to be made. Carefully read through this summary. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before they're applied. If everything looks accurate, click Confirm. Xero will then recode all of the selected transactions in one go. And that's it. You've successfully corrected multiple transactions using Find and Recode in Xero.